This is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2017 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 in the LT trim. With just over 154,000 miles, this extended cab pickup is equipped with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. It is four-wheel drive. It does have a clean CARFAX with 3 previous owners. Starting in the front, you will notice this Silverado is well equipped with high-intensity halogen headlights, LED daytime running lights, fog lights integrated into the lower bumper here, and you will also have 2 front recovery hooks. And making our way down to the wheel and tire setup, we'll have an 18-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like-new tire, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like fixed running boards. You also have a 6.5-foot bed with a spray-in bedliner, and you'll also have a powered rear sliding glass. Looking inside, you'll be met with a jet black theme with nice elements such as leather, white stitching, and some high gloss elements and a touch of chrome, and some brushed aluminum. And as you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Silverado. And of course, once inside, you will be kept comfortable by premium cloth seats. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you will find the multi-point inspection report. Here you can see the front tires are 8/32 and the rears are at 10. And the brake pads are good to go along with everything else. It's green, ready to go for the next buyer. And guys, we do that so you don't have to put money into the wearables shortly after purchasing with All Things Automotive. Now this is the double cab or extended cab version of this Silverado. Not the full crew, but you still have a little bit of space back here for your rear passengers. You'll have some storage on the backing of the seats, and you will also have a 12-volt output. Making our way around to the 6.5-foot bed again, you will notice it is equipped with Line-X brand spray-in bed liner, followed up with a rear camera and all of your towing equipment, including your 4- and 7-pin wiring and your hitch receiver. And you will also have your rear integrated step on your rear bumper, followed up with rear proximity sensors. Making our way to the driver door, you will notice all your powered options such as power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments. Then to the left of the steering wheel, the first thing you should notice is the integrated trailer brake controller, followed up with your 4-wheel drive selections and your general lamp selector with your brightness and dimming controls for your interior and cluster lighting. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience, and as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, panic, and remote start. And in the center here, we will see just over 152,000 miles. That's a correction from the beginning of the video. I said 154, just over 152,000 miles on this Silverado. As far as steering wheel mounted controls are concerned, you'll have some cruise control selections to the left, and to the right you'll have some selectors for that center screen. And of course you can pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. Now bringing our attention to the center display and infotainment system, I'm going to go ahead and engage the rear camera. Here, as you can see, nice clear display with your guidance lines. And down below, you'll have some simple radio controls here. And speaking of radio, as far as audio is concerned, you will have your standard FM, AM, XM radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You'll still have a CD player as well, followed up with your dual automatic climate control. And down below, you'll have nice features like power adjustable foot pedals. And you'll also have your traditional traction control off, an option for your cargo light and proximity sensors. You can turn those on and off as well. In the middle, you will have the option for that middle rider, as you can see. If not, you have a fold down armrest here with some storage. Looks like we have auxiliary for alternative audio and a USB and a 12-volt outlet here. And then up top, you will have your SOS services and OnStar services. Pull it up with your bright LED map lights, integrated garage door openers, and your powered rear sliding glass. Under the hood, you will have a 5.3 liter V8 gas engine. As you can see, super clean, no evidence of exhaust leaks or oil leaks or anything of that nature. Our crew does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. And guys, along with that multi-point inspection, this Silverado has received a pressure oil change, a new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Silverado. Keeping in mind it is a higher mileage pre-owned vehicle. None are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. And typically we don't sell higher mileage vehicles, but this one was very exceptional, so that's why it is being listed here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front here, minimal stone chips. You will have some minor cosmetic blemishes here on the front of the hood. Your chrome trim pieces here on the front grille are in good shape, and your headlights are nice and clear. No cracks, no condensation, no yellowing, no fading. No dents or dings here in your front chrome bumper, and here on your lower bumper fascia, everything is good. Tow hooks do not look like they were used. So no large issues here in the front. Coming around to your wheel and tire setup, you are going to have some curb rash here on that alloy wheel, so I wanted you guys to be aware of that. And it looks like some of that coating is starting to come off, so a little bit of wear and tear here on the wheels. All the way up to your mirror cap, some minor cosmetic blemishes, a little bit of wear and tear for the road. Two portions here, you have your high gloss black paint match and then your hard plastic here. Again, running boards, not brand new. You are going to see some rust spots on there, but they are still very functional and safe. All the way up to your door pieces out here. Everything is good. Looking inside, no rip stains or tears so far. Let's take a look at the cloth seats here, guys. You will see some discoloration here on the bolsters. Other than that, very clean. Headliners, nice and clean. No rip stains or tears, and no smoke odor. Super important here at All Things Automotive. Couple paint chips here on the rear passenger door. So some slight cosmetic blemishes there. Looking into the back seat, again, some blemishes and discoloration here on your premium cloth seats. And then coming around to the bed, no dents or dings to the vehicle body. Here on top of the bed rail, your trim pieces are in good shape, but as you can see, some of the trim pieces back here are going to have some scarring from cargo going in and out, but your bed's nice and clean, nice spray-in bed liner here. You are going to have some discoloration here by your rear sliding glass, so some of the trim pieces on the outside are starting to wear. Taking a look at this wheel, better shape than the front one on the passenger side, so we're at the passenger side rear wheel, that was in great shape. Okay, all the way back to your rear bumper, I do see a dent here in your rear bumper. Can't repair those, you just have to replace. So this is a kind of an as-is deal here at All Things Automotive. Don't worry, you can still get extended coverage on this Silverado. Make sure at the end of the video I'll tell you how to do that. But coming up the side here, you are going to see some more blemishes here around the bed. Coming up the driver's side here, it's just some light dust here. A lot of pollen here in Pennsylvania this time of year. I do apologize. You're going to have some rust spot, just some surface rust here on the running boards. Not perfect on the paint here, guys. I do see a small ding just below the driver's side door handle. Paint chip there. But if you have any specific questions or if you'd like to see any more photos or videos, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7 and you can even get yourself pre-approved. It's super easy, guys. It only takes about 10 minutes of your time. So come on out and see us at 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, this is the 2017 Silverado 1500 with the 5.3. This is the LT trim. Does have a 6.5 foot bed. It is the extended cab. And it just has right over 152,000 miles. So it's going to be priced very competitively. So give us a call here at All Things Automotive. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, my name's Trent. Please like and subscribe.